What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. Today I'm going to talk about what is affiliate marketing, but first of all let me check my YouTube channel because I don't know why it doesn't appear, why don't appears the live to check some comments. Okay, but so I'm going to check that later. So basically affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and when someone buys from your affiliate links, you can make a commission, and you can go to affiliate marketplaces to find products to promote. Some examples are Amazon.com, dstore24, clickbank.com, JBSU, Share a Sale. Those are affiliate marketplaces, and you can go and you can create your, for example, a free account, access to the marketplace, find products to promote in a variety of niches. So health and fitness, computer and investing, for example, software, home and garden. There are as well relationships, products, and a variety of niches. You can choose whatever you want. But one of the most important things to know as an affiliate marketer is that there are three huge niches: the make money niche, the health and fitness, and the relationship niche. Those are the best ones to promote products. Now, I like to promote high ticket products because they pay more commissions, and that is because those are like high quality products. That is why. So let me check if I can. So I think that I am live, but okay, cool. So basically, guys, we can promote those products, and if someone buys from our affiliate links, we can earn commissions. So affiliate marketing is a good business model because we don't need to create our own products. We don't need to buy inventory or ship anything. We just need to promote our affiliate links, but we need to do it in the right way to make commissions. Now, I'm going to show you the way I'm utilizing to make commissions with high-ticket affiliate marketing, because that is what I'm doing right now. I promote Freedom Accelerator. That is a high-ticket product. The cost of that training is $1,997, and this company pays 40% commissions. And if I scroll down, these are my affiliate links. And if someone buys from any of these links, I can make a commission. Right now I have $861 in unpaid earnings, and if I click on payouts, you can see these are my latest payments. And when I started to promote this product, it took me a while to start getting commissions, and the first commission that I made with this training was $3 or $4, something like that. So it's important to have patience and be disciplined enough to create content. Once you have built this system that is going to help you make commissions 24/7, you need to start driving traffic to it to have customers. If you don't have customers, it's going to be hard to start making these commissions. And the way to drive customers to your own system is by creating content or paying ads. Those are the two ways. Paying, for example, Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or creating content, creating videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or you can write blogs. But that it takes more time to rank on Google, and it's going to take you more time to get commissions with that strategy. So that is the real truth, guys. This business model is not free because you need to put in the work. You need to use your time, and your time is not free. Your time is the most valuable thing you have in your life. That is why it's not free, and it's not easy as well, because you need to put in the work. You need to do things every single day. But one thing about affiliate marketing is that when you are doing these things every single day, it's like I started to make like more commissions, and I'm doing the same things I'm doing like for many months now, and it's like a snowball effect. Once you start like making like more money and more money, you are like doing the same thing. It's super awesome because you got to the momentum, and once you have got momentum, You just need to keep pushing and doing these things every single day, which is creating content and check your how many leads are you collecting per day. And also there are some strategies that you can utilize to increase your conversions, but mainly one of the most important thing is the number of leads you are collecting per day. So let me show you the strategy that I learned from this high ticket product, which is Freedom Accelerator. I'm going to show you because this is important. So let's say that this is my affiliate link, and if this is my affiliate offer, and if someone buys from this page, I can make a commission. But when I started in 2017, I was like just driving traffic to my affiliate offer, and you can do that if you are starting out. But you need to know that sometimes these affiliate marketing companies, they can shut down their affiliate programs, and when they shut down, and when that happens, your affiliate link could not work, right? And that is why it's important to build, before sending people or traffic to your affiliate offer, it's important to build a simple page to capture an email. And basically that is what I'm doing. I'm collecting emails because I have this system. I build this page before sending people to my affiliate offer, and I'm collecting emails. And once we have collected that information, we can promote multiple affiliate products and offers. That is why it's so important to collect emails, guys, because that is going to be basically your own asset, your own list of prospects. And it's important as well. And why is it so important to promote high quality products? Because those people are going to buy from you, and you need to, and it takes time to build the know, like, and trust. So when people know, like, and trust you, you are going to make more money and more commissions by promoting products. But if you are promoting crappy products, maybe some people are going to buy only one time, and then they are not going to buy never again from you. But if you promote high quality products that, for example, hey, check this product that I'm utilizing and I'm making commission as well. I bought this training, and this training helping me to like A, B, C, D, A, and make this kind of money. And if you are promoting high quality products that you know that are going to help people, the persons that are inside of your email list are going to buy from you. Like, you are going to have a high probability that you can sell to multiple products to the same person. That is why it's important to collect emails. So, and another important thing that you need to build is a nurturing sequence. So these are basically emails that when someone subscribes to my email list, the software is going to start sending all these emails automatically. And inside of the emails, you can put your affiliate links, and when someone clicks that link, they will go to your main core offers. So, and that could be email number 1, email number 2. And then as well, you can write valuable emails without any links, because you need to give valuable information to your email list. So, because if you are like sending email promo after promo after promo, it's going to be a time in which they are not going to open the emails anymore. That is why it's important to like have this mix of emails. So you can send emails with your links to promote your main core offers, supporting offers, but you need to write as well emails without any links. And that is basically how I'm making these commissions with affiliate marketing, guys. I have this entire system of products, and I'm utilizing softwares. So let me show you some examples. This is ClickFunnels. I utilize this software for the funnels, and this is GetResponse. I utilize the software for the email marketing. And I can go here and email marketing and click here and create a newsletter. And I can promote almost any products that I want to my email list. That is why it's important to promote high quality products. And I can check the reports as well. I can So I know what is my percentage of, check this out, my delivery rate, my open rate, my click rate. So how many persons are clicking my affiliate links inside of the emails, and how many people are opening my emails. And you can check that out in any email marketing software. So basically, that is how I'm doing affiliate marketing. So I'm promoting a main core offer and supporting offers, and I built an entire ecosystem of products to promote those offers, and I'm creating content to guide customers to that system, and I'm making commissions by promoting these products. So if you want, you can promote these products. You can go to Digistore24, and you're going to find this product, Freedom Accelerator. You can promote it if you want, and you can promote as well if you want the 72-hour challenge. The price of this is $9. Let me write here, $9, and this one is $1,997. I'm learning to write in the screen. $9 and $1,997. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I hope that you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, click the notification